What's up, guys? It's Shaggy Kite. I had to go switch up the scenery because we're doing a thing that's a little bit different today. We're hitting Popeyes and a few other restaurants, doing the ultimate spicy chicken sandwich taste test. You already know what we're doing. I'll see you when I got the sandwiches. Can I get a spicy chicken sandwich? Hello, 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 can I get a spicy chicken sandwich? Welcome back. Today we're eating some chicken sandwiches. I got them right here. We're gonna find out which one's the best. Let's do this. Alright, so I had to bring in my boy Henny D to help me out because, you know, it's not fair having one opinion, absolute bias, so had to bring in a second opinion. We're gonna get this thing done. What do you want to start with, man? The Arby's. Okay, when we ordered the Arby's, but this smelled too good. We went with the Hawaiian barbecue thing. I forget what it was. What was it, bro?
They said it was spicy. Whatever it is.
Yeah. The spicy barbecue thing. Is it good, bro? Damn.
Wow.
Alright. That was good, but it was not spicy.
It wasn't as spicy as I wanted it to be.
That was not spicy at all. I'm about to bust open this Chick-fil-A sandwich.
That looks like it's real good.
Popeyes is next. We waited in line way too long for this, bro.
Way too long.
It better be worth it.
Damn, that shit good.
The chicken is so, the bun is real good too. Damn. Alright. You tap on that, bro. I'm gonna bust open this. That is pretty spicy. I was wrong, bro. I said, oh, this isn't gonna be spicy. No, that's too spicy. Alright, I also got Culver's too. No tomato, of course. It is not that spicy. That's disappointing, bro. Popeyes has been the spiciest. That's for sure.
Yes, by far. But next, Wendy's.
Let's see what Wendy's is on. Oh. Ask for none of that, bro. What was that?
Can't believe that.
Alright, bro.
No.
Tastes like rubber. I think I'm ready for my list.
I know who's at the bottom.
Alright, definitely at the bottom. I hate to do it, but Wendy's, honestly. That was terrible. It wasn't spicy. It tasted like rubber. Then after that, I'm going to have to go with Culver's for number 4. Just because the patty is, it's okay, but it's not that good. For third, I'm going Arby's. It just wasn't spicy enough. But it was good. It just wasn't spicy enough. For number 2, I'm probably going to go... I'm going to have to go with Chick-fil-A.
There's just something about the Popeyes chicken at the #1 spot that is just too good, bro. I don't know, that sauce is incredible.
I completely agree. The Popeyes, by far the best. My mouth is still tingling.
It's too good. Definitely recommend it. If y'all have some opinions on our list, let us know. Leave it down in the comments below. Make sure to leave a like. Definitely hit the subscribe button. If you leave a comment, I'll come to your door and I'll give you a Popeyes chicken sandwich hand delivered. So I'll wait in line and everything for you. The 30-minute drive-through, don't worry about it. I got you. All right, guys, much love. I'll see you next time.